of behind the aircraft.
You're very behind the aircraft.
We've got a fuel leak.
Have we?
Yeah.
We did a missed approach, and now we're being vectored around to do another approach into runway 23.
Ever since I was a kid, I had a dream of becoming a pilot, but could never afford it. One day I decided to stop making excuses, to sacrifice my comfort, to make my dream happen. My name is D, and this is my journey. This is Future Pilot 901. What's up, aviators, aviation enthusiasts? It's Future Pilot 901. If you didn't catch what I was saying then, what I'm basically saying is I got a random message from one of the WhatsApp groups I'm in, and they said, does anyone want a back seat today? IFR flight, Elstree. I was like, yes, I want to go. So here I am, literally, I got the call about just over an hour ago, and it's now 10:56. Wheels up at 12 o'clock. I don't even know what my face looks like right now, because literally as soon as I sent that message, I was getting my batteries charged for the cameras and getting ready and having a shower and all that jazz. So I'm literally making my way there now. I'm hoping to get there for 11:30, hopefully, just to have enough time to set up cameras and obviously be on time for the IFR flight briefing and so on. I've been wanting to go to Elstree actually, because one of my friends goes to Elstree, and he told me about how short the runway is there. So, and I've done a flight sim around Elstree. It's quite interesting. It's quite interesting. So I'm looking forward to it. IFR flight, never done that. Going to be back seating. Going to see what it's like. Going to see what the next stage is like. I'm excited. Right, time to go. Let's hit the road. All right, don't freaking break your car door on your way. That would be tragic. All right, let's go. Okay, made it with 15 minutes to go. Here we go.
So 1 o'clock, please. Yeah, brilliant. Thank you very much. Cheers, bye. Yep, Gatwick has just gone yellow, which is good. Farnborough is good, and it's like good weather now. So everything appears to be lifting. London City has just gone good as well. Before it was fog, 200 meters.
With humidity.
Cloud, 200 feet. You have no chance. But now it's gone broken at 1700, 6K viz. So you can easily get into like London City. You know, like everything is basically beginning to go up. Yeah. Let's go get the aircraft ready.
This is Keno, a flight instructor on the cusp of a very special landmark achievement. And this is Yufei, a private pilot working on his IMC. Getting his IMC would mean that Yufei would be allowed to fly in clouds using just the instruments on a miserable looking day, a bit like this one. It was really cool just to sit back and watch as they prepare the aircraft, just to be a fly on the wall, to watch how they go about their business and see why I could learn vicariously from the back seat.
Yeah. Stuff happens, Daniel.
Indeed it does. Indeed it does.
Yeah.
But safety is the top priority, isn't it?
Honestly, yeah, it's not even worth it.
Clear, prop. Putting safety first can mean last-minute changes to original plans. With the aircraft leaking fuel, Kenner was forced to find another way to get in the air if he was to achieve his landmark and give Yufei the instrument practice that he needed. Just when it seemed like there was no hope.
How many hours have you gone for, Kenner?
Normally it's about 2 blocks. So, but do you
I don't mind Kenner going, it's fine.
Yeah, do you want to take Echo Golf then?
Well, you take Echo Golf
Yeah,
and then
okay.
we'll sort ourselves out.
Okay.
And then if you're back by, I mean, yeah, through the weather suddenly breaks. Then
To be honest, we actually have to. We've got to go call Southend and see if they've still got a slot free.
okay.
Because ours was now.
Fair
But
enough.
yeah, we left the aircraft.
Okay. All right. Cool. We'll have a good flight.
Cool.
Enjoy it.
Touch up later.
Kenner managed to secure another Cessna 172, and Yufei scrambled to get it ready for flight.
Yeah. But this one actually just has a thing that's localizer only, so you can just do localizer and then you can read the height and distance.
The height and distance, yeah.
And that's non-precision. That's enough to do the test.
Oh, that's good. Golf for Echo, Golf for Echo.
Okay.
No.
Golf, Echo, golf. Okay, I'm gonna just
That
call.
This aircraft is so nice to fly with.
Yeah, very nice.
Echo Golf, clear to enter Southend Airport airspace now in the climb task chute 3, 1,000 feet, heading 090 degrees.
Yes, 3,000 feet is very nice and smooth.
Yeah.
It's not like in the cloud.
Echo Golf, resume our location, Sierra November. This comes the procedure report on localized established.
The whole point of getting your IMC is you fly clouds. That's sort of where we are roughly. See?
Okay.
So we came in for an approach on runway 23. We did a missed approach, and now we're being vectored around to do another approach into runway 23.
Last year, your valuable contributions allowed me to go first solo after just 12 hours and 37 minutes of flying lessons. Bear in mind, 2 hours were for trial flights.
The Charlie Kilo is right base, get out to land.
It was a great achievement made possible by you. Now I've got my sights set on that license. To become a future Pilot 901 Dreammaker, make sure you check the description down below. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. And oh, if you haven't checked out my blog, make sure you check out www.futurepilot901.com.
Okay.
And if you follow the procedures properly, this will tell you whether we're left or right of the runway.
Yeah.
And we are doing our altitudes by distance. So distance versus the height on the chart.
Yeah.
So at 4 miles it should be about 1,400 feet, 3 miles about 1,000.
DME come up.
So you carry on, we're being radar vectored.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. So we just go step by step, managing our descent and our direction all the way down until we get to the runway. We're gonna bust restricted airspace.
You say 2,400?
I know, but
Alright.
we're gonna be there
All right.
very, very soon, right?
Okay.
So you just want to climb gradually when you're close to restricted airspace.
Alright.
Right? No, you can still leave full power, but you just have to climb
Slowly. Not
otherwise,
that rate.
yeah, otherwise you're gonna bust it.
Alright.
So there's 2004.
Yeah.
We level off. And heading 090.
Alright. Everything nice and smooth.
Everything
no?
nice
Alright,
and
okay.
smooth, not
Alright.
aggressive.
I was so aggressive.
It's okay. Just move on. 090, level at 2,400.
Right.
Keep your scan. Attitude, speed. Attitude, turn coordinator. DI, vertical speed. Altitude. And just keep repeating. On 2,400, so it's a very gentle climb to gain that height. So maybe start to reduce your power now. Add some flap. 1500 is roughly good. Okay, flaps 20, lower the nose, and on the throttle for power and retrim. Lower the nose to descend. Trim. What height should you be at 1 mile?
Oh, 410.
Your nose is too steep. You've got half scale deflection, go around.
Yeah.
Hold the correct heading. Go off, backing off, missed approach.
Too much workload.
Just do the missed approach. And what do you do when you go missed approach?
Go straight ahead. Flaps up.
Why are we not pitched for a climb?
I'll walk up behind the aircraft.
You're very behind the aircraft. We're supposed to be going around, which means you've got to be full power, pitch for a climb, holding your heading. And at the moment...
Contact Southend Airport 128.965.
Director 128.965, Golf Echo Golf. Okay. This is a high workload situation, right? You must be ahead of the aircraft. What you do when you go around, you need to already know that and be doing it. Southend Director, Golf Echo Golf, missed approach, climbing to 2000, currently 1400.
Backseating on this IFR flight offered me a great learning experience, a reminder of the need to be resilient, and a breathtakingly spectacular view. Keno achieved his landmark 1,000 flying hours, and Yufei got to brush up on his instrument approaches into Southend Airport. Unfortunately, my camera died during the flight, so I have no video of Keno's 1,000th hour landing.
That's the right profile too.
That's what you want.
Yeah.
I would like it. Gonna get to the height of a double-decker bus.
How about this high?
Smoothly throttle to idle. Smoothly raise the nose. And kiss the runway.
It's the runway.
Kiss it.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, baby.
This is floating. It's float.
It's nice to know that my 1,000th hour landing is better than my first.
That's always a good sign. Huge congrats to Keno on his remarkable achievement, and all the best to Yufei with his IMC. For the aviation enthusiasts wanting to see an uncut version of the instrument approaches, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss it. Until next time, this is Future Pilot 901 reminding you to live your dreams.